Hello everybody! Today I'm going to be testing out some no activator slime methods, and even if they fail, I have activator here to fix it. So first I'm going to do glue, and just a little bit. Perfect. Okay. Anyway, for some reason I like mixing the glue to see if it has like the right consistency. This one looks like it has a really good consistency. Stir, mixy, and I think that's pretty good. Alright, so now I'm gonna put some lotion to soften it. I'm hanging clothes.
Why are you talking about me?
Because. Anyway, now we're gonna mix it up. Mixy, stirry, mixy. Alright. Gonna mix it up, and I think I'm gonna put a few more pumps because I think it. And even if it comes out hard, we'll probably add some more lotion. Or if it doesn't work and then I overactivate it and blah, blah, blah. Okay. This is weird, but I'm going to paint it white because I feel like white would be a good color. And it's not entirely white right now. It may look white on camera, but it's not entirely white. It's like a browny white kind of color. Okay. Oh, juice. Okay. That's a juice. That's a juice. Okay, so what I find weird is that the paint is activating it. The paint is activating it. Well, I'm using Crazy Art glue, so I think baking soda activates it, so I think there's some baking soda in that paint. But once you mix it a lot, the activation thing kind of goes away and it just turns back into like white. Okay, now that is a really pretty white. It might look the same as before, but whatever. Okay, so the recipe calls for flour. Gonna put in some flour. I don't even know if this works or not, to be honest. Moment of truth. It says just these two ingredients make slime. Okay, right now it does not look like it at all. So I'm gonna try putting. I just made a mess. I'm going to try putting a little bit more. I still don't see any activation process here. Maybe a little more lotion. Oh, I knocked over the paint. There's flour everywhere. Okay, all the lotion did was kind of melt it a little. So now it's just like a white kind of cream with like chunks in it. Not good. Okay, and I'm going to put in a little more flour. Me. Doing is make it thicker. Doesn't really look like it's gonna activate it. So I'm just gonna activate it and then see the texture because apparently it's not gonna work. I thought this would work because I felt like flour was kind of like cornstarch, but I didn't think it would activate it. Yeah, now with activator, it's activating, obviously. Anyway, I'm using borax as my activator. Okay, that is really sticky. I need more borax. I don't even know if this is gonna work, to be honest. I've never tried it. And there goes my knife. For some reason I like knives better than forks. Okay, yep, that was 100% too much borax. But I think the flour is like soaking up the borax. It's like trying to form a dough of some sort. Okay, I'll put that over there. Alright, there's like borax leaking out of it. There's like borax leaking out of it, so I put that in another cup. Oh, this isn't bad. Okay, I did make a mess everywhere though.
What did you say?
I made a mess everywhere.
You can't do on that thing, honey.
Yes, I can.
Oh my God, you can make messy on my lap.
I know. I did not make a mess. Okay, well anyway, it's a little sticky, so I guess that extra borax did help. So I don't know why I drained it out into another cup. Let's put that back in. Put it back in. I don't think you guys can see it because of my white counter, but it's really sticky. You guys probably see it everywhere on my hands. I mean, I like slime, but I hate when it's sticky. I won't even touch it. So I don't know why I'm touching it right now. Okay, that's disgusting. Okay, so I put a little more borax. Okay, it's giving it a dough kind of texture. I don't like it. I kind of like it. It's making it butter slimy. Yeah, it's making it feel like, wait, maybe this is another version for butter slime. I'm gonna see if I can make a bubble. Probably not, but you know, I'll try. Ah, there's a bubble. Okay, try again. Hey, bubble! I think I knocked over the light. I think I just knocked over the light.
The light.
The light.
Why?
Because I was like this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna try and make another bubble.
That's yours?
What? Oh my God, no! Those are Isa's.
Mine is in squishy skills.
But that same thing appeared when I was doing laundry. Okay, anyway.
You do your laundry?
Yeah. Why wouldn't I do my own laundry? That was big. But when it pops, it leaves like all these little holy things. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, before I was recording with my phone, like leaning on something, I have a tripod now. So, I'm recording it from a tripod. So, yeah, anyway, that has absolutely nothing to do with slime. Okay, so let's see how it pokes.
Oops.
Pretty good. Let's see how it pops. Not bad. Oh, if you guys can see those dolphin paintings in the background, I made those. So this is a little hard. So I'm going to put some lotion in it. One pump. A lot of lotion comes out in one pump with that. Ooh, and it works really well. One pump made it so soft. Ow. Okay, anyway. I've seen people try to add scent with like a perfume. I don't know if I'm gonna do that though. Please ignore my grandmother in the background. That one was kind of cool. Alright, let me see if I can make a bubble out of this. Well, I don't know if this kind of flower works, but maybe you can experiment with other flowers. Maybe it's like the fact that I'm using Crazy Art glue and not Elmer's glue. But this is also another alternative for baking soda. I think I'm using all-purpose flour. Yeah, I'm using all-purpose flour. I was using all-purpose flour for this. It's
Yeah, I
not.
got the necklaces.
Yeah. What letter does it say?
This is says like Is it gold?
Yes, it's gold.
No, it's not.
It's half plastic, half gold.
Oh, gold water.
Ah. Well, this is like another alternative for a butter slime. Hold on, let me see if it spreads. Hold on, let's see if it spreads.
My room is never
Okay.
clean. Making me tired.
Half a butter slime.
You're making mess, me too.
So hard. I'm gonna put some. She's criticizing me. She's criticizing my video skills.
Let's make some videos.
We also have this old lotion, but there's like nothing in there, so I'm not gonna use that. It's like really old. There's like chunks of random stuff in there. There is. There's like chunks. I found a chunk of a Balu's fur in there. If you guys don't know, we have two cats. One's name is Bindi. One's name is Bali. Bali, they're both really fat because of me. My grandmother overfeeds them. Yeah, don't try to deny it. She overfeeds them. You guys see those holes in it? Like every time I make a bubble, those little holes come. When it pops, like.
Oh my god.
Alright, well, that was it for testing no glue slime methods, same thing. And I will see you guys later because I'm probably going to make another video. Goodbye!